Good day, everybody. Welcome to your 2023 January real estate market update with myself, Kelly Whitty. I am going to run you through some of the January market stats for the Edmonton area, and I'm also going to break it down to one of my favorite southeast neighborhoods, the Ellerslie area. And because basically the number one question that I get asked is, how is the market? So I'm going to tell you how it is, but I'm not going to be really bossy about it or anything. I'm just going to give you the facts. So the government of Alberta has said that in their economic review that housing starts for January 2023 saw a strong start. Basically, they used the term on solid footing, which I thought was appropriate. Because, footing, basements. I thought that was kind of punny. The current inventory rate in the Edmonton area is 5.27 months. So basically that means if all the houses on the market right now, if it stayed as it was, there was no new houses, it would take 5.27 months to clear all the inventory. So that means that the market is relatively balanced. You can see by the little needle that it is leaning a little more towards the buyer side of things. Again, with inventory matching the demand right now, things are staying balanced. So, moving on, the number of active listings right now in the area is 5,199. This is up 3.37% versus last month and up 10% versus last year, where we saw quite a low inventory at the beginning of the year and throughout the spring and the summer. So we are seeing more inventory now than we did last year, and which is great for buyers because there's more options. The number of new listings last month was 2,294, and this is up 89% versus last month. So I think this means that we're going to see a strong and a busy spring market, and it's up 6% versus last year, which again, when we saw very low inventory. And the number of homes sold last month was 986. This is up 1.3% versus last month, so we're seeing more activity, and down 26% versus last year, when I think we were just kind of coming out of the kind of post-pandemic. And now to break it down into the southeast of Edmonton in the Ellerslie area, which includes the Orchard, Summerside, Ellerslie Crossing, Charlesworth, and Walker Lakes. The average homes in this area are selling for $398,235. It's up 9% versus last month and down 6% versus last year. And the average home in this area is selling in 55 days. So up 1 day from last month and down 5 days versus this time last year. And the average list to sale ratio is 98%, which means that houses are selling for 98% of their list price. And is still indicating a balanced market. When we see that rate drop to 95% and lower, then we would call it a buyer's market, as homes are selling for below their list price. Going into spring last year, we were seeing a lot of properties sell for over list price, which was not very common in the area over the last few years. So it was kind of exciting and busy times for real estate agents. And then interest rates are always a hot topic. Right now, they are ranging between 4.63% to 6.34%, which is quite a big spread. It definitely depends on the lender and the bank and your credit rating. It's definitely worth calling a mortgage professional to chat with them about it, and I'm happy to point you in the right direction if you need some good contacts. And basically, market trend summary. If trends continue, we'll see a balanced market into the spring. The Edmonton and area housing market still remains stable. It's not all doom and gloom. Edmonton is attracting young professionals, families with our affordable cost of living and our affordable housing. If you can stomach the winters, Edmonton is a fabulous place to live. And this report was created using Realtors Association of Edmonton statistical data. So again, I don't claim to be an expert, but I can read the data and tell you about it. And how does this impact you? Well, I would love to talk to you about it if you're thinking of buying or selling. If you just need some advice on how to move forward, give me a shout and let's chat about it. Thank you so much for listening and for your time. Have a great day.